Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. We are making motif number 24 out of this Irish crochet book. The pattern looks something like this, like so, and I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook, some green yarn that I've got laying around, and I'm using a bright orange yarn for the padding cord. You would be using the same colour yarn as your padding cord. I'm using a different one just so that you can see what I'm doing. Let's get into it. If this video is any help for you at all, please like, comment and subscribe. This is just to help other crocheters find my videos. Let's get into it. To start off with, we're just going to go ahead and secure our yarn. I secure my yarn just by twisting it like this, and we're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go ahead and slip stitch into the first chain space, like that. We are now going to drop 16 single crochets in the center space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, and then we're going to drop a slip stitch into the first chain space there like this. Now we're going to go ahead and connect our padding yarn, or a padding thread if you like. I tend to connect my yarn just by looping through it like this. I'm going to pull my primary colour yarn through and chain 1 like so. I control my yarn, my working yarn, with the top left of my hand and the padding cord with the bottom right of my hand. The padding cord is always on the inside. So now around the padding cord we're going to do 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2. Now we're going to chain 1, pop your finger there at the chain 1. Now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead and do a slip stitch in these 2 spaces here where we've done a chain 1, because we're making a picot stitch like that. Chain 1, and now we're going to repeat this pattern on the opposite side. So go back around the padding cord now. We've got 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Skip 4 chains and slip stitch into the base. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget the padding cord, you're taking it with you, like so. That's what your first leaf clover should look like. We're going to repeat this another 3 times. So I'm going to do one more with you. So we are doing 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet rather. So 1, 2, chain 1, pop your finger there, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch into those 2 chain spaces there like that, making a picot stitch. Repeat this on the other side. So that's 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet. Skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. I am going to speed up the rest of the video and get the last two done, and then I'm going to show you what the final result looks like. So if you're following along, pause here. And this is what your final piece should look like. It's a really, really cute fall leaf, like almost clover if you like. To finish off with, you will snip your padding cord and your yarn, grab a darning needle and just weave it through. I'm not going to show you how to do that because I'm only making this piece for demonstration and I don't want to waste any yarn. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. Motif number 25 will be up very, very soon. Have a blessed day and thank you for watching. Bye.